Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Saturday Projects, Camper Edition. We're going to show you how to fix this messed up situation that we got on our hands. All right, here's what's going on. In one week, the birds came in here and started building nests on top of the camper. They're just dumping stuff down into the bathroom. They're just taking over. Critters. We're going to get this fixed.
Now we're putting some blocking in to keep it from just falling down. But the little we're getting the bathroom vent put back on. Okay, while getting the glue on, he's taking out the screws now. He's cutting the glue. There it goes. We are done with the camper roof. Everything is caulked. Got new vents on.
Go put that in.
Taped.
Come back and get the shovel.
Caulked. Done.
We got a little bit of a situation. The situation is this. We got a goat pen, chicken pen, duck pen. It's all kind of crazy. And we have the dog fennel, some kind of dog fennel weed or something. And it grows up into like a massive forest. And it gets really thick stalk, like woody. We got to deal with it. That's what we're going to work on today. We're going to burn this hay out. And then we're going to see if we can reseed this area.
Fire's all going, and Dad's trying to make a fire break.
Smoked out in there, boy! We got a rat snake on the farm. No good. No good with our chickens. Hey guys, so we went to the goat sale. We went to Wendy's. Went to Tractor Supply. We bought some grass seed. We're gonna seed that chicken pen. We got some fencing. We're gonna separate those chickens and ducks out so we can let that grass get established. I think it's gonna be, oh, we got a sprinkler too. Got to water. We don't have rain here. We live in a semi-arid area.
What's done is done.
Okay.
Wow.
Alright, we put a fence up and got grass seed in this whole area and have a sprinkler running, and now we're making shade for the chickens and the ducks.
Well, guess what? We're just leaving our friend's place with 3 little nanny goats. It's been a good day. Sun is setting in the west, and we're looking for a new day tomorrow because God's mercies are new every day. So, always remember, God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. Talk to you later.